What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Suli G, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. So today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be doing a Trader Joe's haul because Trader Joe's just opened in my neighborhood, and I feel like it's a personal answered prayer, even though it's probably not, but that's how I feel. It's that personal. So I'm gonna take you guys with me because I want to see what the store looks like in my neighborhood, and I want to show you guys some of the things that I love buying from Trader Joe's. So let's go. Guys, I am so happy right now. I'm in Trader Joe's, and it's so crazy. You never notice how much you spend on stuff until you go somewhere else and you see how much it costs there. Like the cheese section, we were in the cheese section. The cheeses are so much cheaper. No, this is a heavy box. I think it's gonna be a lot in here. We'll get one, we'll try it out. Trader Joe's is like 5 stars for their freezer food, but I know freezer food can have a lot of preservatives, so I'm trying to like slow down. Good one. They're not ringing up.
Usually works. Is that it?
Thank you. I'll just put that in here. The water. Yeah. Oh my God, you don't know how happy I am that you guys are here.
It's exciting.
It's so, you don't know, I've
time coming.
been praying for this for you don't know how long. And I'm so happy you guys are here.
Which is one bag.
Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
You might still be able to. If you want, I guess.
Okay, so we finished our shopping, and I know this sounds so dramatic, but you don't understand how much of a quality of life changer this is, from like being able to save money and not order food out as much to not having to take an Uber or a train with all my groceries. I used to literally have to get on the train when I would go to Union Square, or if I was downtown Brooklyn, I would have to take an Uber, and like now I can literally go down the block. This is so great. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. Okay. I got some of like my classic Trader Joe's favorites, but then I also grabbed some things that I haven't really tried before. But you know, everything at Trader Joe's is good. I don't know what they got in their stuff, but it's good, and the freezer stuff is really good too. So yeah, I'll show you guys in a bit what I got when I get upstairs. Okay, so we just got back, and we have a bunch of things here. Got 2 bags in total, but this is how big this cart was. I mean, this is how big this bag was. It broke. And this is the other bag. So I'm gonna unload all of this, because if I unload and talk to you guys, it's just gonna be too long. So I'm gonna unload everything so you guys can see what I got, what I'm excited to try, and what is gonna be cooked tonight. Looking at all of this right now really makes me wanna cry, but just to show you. So we got some chicken, which this was $5.38 for these chicken strips. I got this chicken shumai. These are chicken and vegetable dumplings. I don't think I've tried these before, but I did try the regular vegetable dumplings, and these are so bomb, especially if you put them in a nice skillet with water and steam them so that they're crunchy on the outside and you have like a little bit of soy sauce. So bomb. Sweet potato tortillas. These are thebomb.com. And we got this garlic chipotle salsa to dip it in. I've never tried this salsa, but I've tried like their other salsas, and it's really, really good. This coconut shrimp, which again, I know freezer food is not good for you. I'm fully aware of that, but I really do like Trader Joe's food, and I have this rationale in my head. that, like, you know, because, oh, this lighting sucks on this side. Okay. Because I live alone, sometimes it's just easier to whip up something really quick, especially like when it's a very busy day and I'm editing or like just trying to get some quick food in. I feel like once I have like a family and stuff like that, I'm going to be very intentional about cooking super, super healthy meals. Not that I eat bad. I wouldn't say I eat bad, but like whatever, freezer food is not the best. But I say all that to say I like Trader Joe's freezer food. So I did get the coconut shrimp because I like coconut shrimp. So then we got fruits, because I love the fruits at Trader Joe's. I just like the produce in general. The old grocery store by me is very expensive in the produce, so I like that. I was able to get this 2-pound package of grapes for, I think it was $4.99, $3.49, something like that. This pizza is the bomb.com. If you have like a super busy day and you just want something quick but filling, this Supreme pizza is so good. And if you follow me on Instagram, which you definitely should if you don't, you know how I feel about the San Pellegrino juice, specifically this flavor. So I'm so happy that I was able to buy a pack. This is the first time that I bought a pack for my house. I got some raspberries. There's some blackberries here. This is new. We haven't tried these before. This is the white truffle popcorn. This is a snack, so we'll see how that goes today. And then this is also, listen, if you need you a good balsamic vinaigrette, Trader Joe's has a great one. And it's fat-free, which you can't even, it doesn't taste like it's fat-free. And I think it's like $1.59, a really, really good price. I might already have some in my fridge still, my messy fridge. Yeah, look, I knew it. I knew I had another one. I have this one here. So I am going to pack this up in the fridge, cook tonight's dinner. Oh, that's what I meant to say. So we got this chicken, shawarma chicken thighs. I've never tried this, and I'm not really big on eating chicken thighs, but it looks like it's a really savory marinade, so thought it'd be worth trying. We're gonna throw this in the oven, probably with some potatoes and some asparagus to see how that turns out. So I'll show you guys the end result of that, and then, yeah. Sweet potato fries instead, and that's from this bag right here. These sweet potato fries are bomb. So we're doing that with the chicken right here. The seasoning smells really, really good. So we'll see how it turns out.
In Dallas, Texas, that started a church called Social Dallas. They're less than a year old, and they're packing out arenas. Pastor Robert and Taylor LaDuke. We know God's doing crazy things there, but you need some crazy money to continue to facilitate that. So there's a check for $100,000 on the way to Dallas for you to continue to do what God has called you to do. This is the season of no cap. Somebody say no cap. No cap.
I was eating breakfast and watching service. Service was so good today. If you watch Transformation Church, you could put Transformation Nation in the comment section below. But they were doing the crazy faith offering and just like generously giving away. And I was so emotional. I was crying for like 2 hours straight because it was so beautiful just to see like everyone get gifted. So that's why I look like this. And now I'm just so tired from all the crying. But as you saw, that was my breakfast from Trader Joe's. So I'm so happy I went to Trader Joe's because now I feel like I can't remember the last time I ordered Uber Eats. Meanwhile, when I don't go to Trader Joe's, I'm always ordering Uber Eats. So I had a vegetable omelet with cheese, and I had their chicken sausage. So their apple smoked chicken sausage is so good. And I'm not even into chicken sausage for real, but I tried their chicken sausage, and ever since then I've been hooked on just theirs. So that's what I got for breakfast. I remember showing you guys what I cooked the night before with the chicken. Oh God, I forgot the name. Shawarma, the chicken shawarma. It wasn't that good. It didn't end up being that good. I felt like it could have had more flavor. I thought it was going to be more savory, and it wasn't. So that's why I didn't show it after, because I mean, I ate. I was just saying that I ate the food because I was hungry, but it was not that great. It's something that you buy for yourself if you want to heat up some chicken real quick, but it's not something that I would make for others if I want to make a really nice dinner. So Trader Joe's doesn't miss. They hardly miss, so I'm not even going to complain because everything else from there is bomb. So let me know if you guys like the... I just got a message. Let me know if you guys like the Trader Joe's haul, if you want to see more of like what I buy or what I like to make. It's a different kind of video, but now that Trader Joe's is right by my house, I feel like I can do those more often. And I love shopping at Trader Joe's. Like I just love Trader Joe's. So let me know if you guys want more of those kinds of videos. And then yeah, of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.